Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to challenge myself and do multiple lashes. Out of curiosity, people normally put 2 or 3 eyelash, so I like to ask my girlfriend to help me do this challenge, so I put 10 lashes on. So the lashes are from LaFleur NY Minks. Before I added that strip lash, I had to do her individual lashes so the minks could have more stability. Stay tuned for part 2 of the video if you want to see how I do the eyeshadow. I love doubling my lashes. It just, to me, give the eyes an extra pop. But I have never done more than 3 lashes on a person. This is kind of fun just to see how stacking the lash will make you look more dramatic. We did a halfway break, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget to comment. That's 5, right?
Yeah.
Stay in there, boo. We got more lashes to put on. There's nothing wrong with using your imagination, being creative and have fun. At this point, I had stopped using glue and just started sticking a lash on top of each other. How it feels?
Like I can't look up. I feel like my eyelids getting heavy. I feel like I'm high.
Look straight. Yeah. We got 2 more. How many lashes have you guys ever attempted to put on? Please comment and let me know. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. At this point, I stopped gluing the lashes down because these are some good lashes that I am gonna strip off and reapply again on her because we're gonna do a 20 lash challenge. At least you got some strong eyes. You see that, ladies? Strong eyes. Blink, blink. See?
You posted that video. I was like, oh my god. People probably like.
That's what, number 8? No, 9. That's 9. We have 1 more lash to go.
I can't look up.
10 pairs of eyelashes, you guys.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
When you come back, we doing 20. Open your eyes.
Shit, if I can. What the hell? Oh my god.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Yes, you guys, I am taking these babies off because we're going to have to redo them because we're going to do a 20 eyelash challenge. So I want you guys to join the team and let me see how many lashes you guys can do. So I'm going to touch her up because I know she got a hot date to go to. So I can't let her walk out the door with 10 pairs of lash. It's a huge difference when I took off all those lash.